Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax save not working problem quickly. Yeah, if your progress isn't saving or you're losing data while working on your return, it can be really frustrating, especially when you've already entered a lot of information, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So first, check your internet connection if you're using TurboTax online. Uh, a slow or unstable connection can prevent your data from saving properly, so make sure you're connected to a reliable network. Next, try saving your work manually. Yeah, don't rely only on autosave. Click the Save option regularly to ensure your progress is stored. After that, clear your browser cache or switch to a different browser. Sometimes stored data or cookies can interfere with saving features and cause errors. Also, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve performance, which can resolve saving issues. And yeah, if you're using the desktop version, check that you have enough storage space on your computer. Low disk space can stop files from saving correctly. Finally, restart TurboTax or your computer and try again. Most of the time, these steps will fix saving issues and keep your data secure. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.